Hello, this is Catherine. In this section, we're going to go over the importance of lesson request management. Lesson requests are how students book a lesson with an italki teacher. They'll often request a lesson after viewing your profile, so make sure you check out our videos on polishing your profile. In a previous video, we briefly went over how to adjust your availability settings. Now, let's take a look at those settings again and what they can mean for us when interacting with students. In teacher settings, we'll go to our availability settings. Here, we can see who we allow lesson requests from all students, current students, or nobody. As a new teacher on italki, you will want to set this to new students, but as your schedule fills up, you could switch to current students only to make sure you are available to them first. As well, here I can control auto-accept. By auto-accepting a lesson request, we allow students to book time without having to manually approve the request. It is important to remember not every teacher is right for every student, and so we must communicate with students before lessons. Keep in mind, you may not want to allow new students to be auto-accepted, so you have more chances to communicate before a lesson. After all, it is a lot easier to decline a lesson request than to cancel a lesson. Finally, I can adjust the lesson request window. This allows the student to request an available time either 12, 6, or 2 hours in advance of the lesson. This feature is useful if your upcoming availability hasn't been blocked yet. You can shorten the time from booking to the lesson and maximize your earnings. Successful teachers on italki are proactive in managing their lesson requests. italki's policies state that a lesson request should be answered within 48 hours or the start of the lesson, whichever occur first. Remember that when you receive a lesson request, you can also suggest different times or change in price before accepting the lesson request. At italki, we understand that you may have many different reasons for either accepting or declining a lesson request, and the choice is yours. We just ask that you make the choice promptly for your students. Thanks for learning about the lesson request management. We'll see you in the next video.